Let me introduce you to my 2023 Tesla Model 3.
And I drive a lot.
Meaning it's really gross and really dirty. I don't have a lot of time to clean this guy because I am either always on the road, out of state, or just doing other things. Like I'm sure many of you are. So your car sits here, it gets dirty, it gets gross, and you gotta clean it.
Thankfully, the team at Salty Automotive or Salty Cleaning noticed this and partnered up with them to clean this Model 3.
We're gonna be taking a look at their car wash essentials bucket. What you get in this bundle, if you wanted to pick it up for yourself, is a 4-gallon bucket. The rest of these are 16 ounces. Car wash, wheel wash, interior cleaner, glass cleaner, drip dry. These are not 16 ounces, these are things. Hand mitt and towel kit, soft bristle brush, hard bristle brush, and you can choose your choice of foam gun. I got the Captain's Musket for the garden hose because I don't have a pressure washer, but if you wanted a pressure washer one, you could get a pressure washer adapter. I'm super excited because this kit offers everything you need for a complete, and I mean complete, vehicle clean inside and out, ensuring your car stays spotless and protected from the elements. The combination of high performance cleaning solution and versatile tools that it comes with makes it perfect for car enthusiasts and those who want to maintain their vehicle's appearance and longevity. Let's see how nice we can make this thing look. After assembling the Musket,
I've loaded it. How do we start? I think we just, oh, yeah, there we go.
we're gonna wanna go ahead and attach it to the garden hose. The first step I'm gonna do is just rinse the entire car down. Give it a nice layer of water.
So we've gone ahead and prepped the vehicle. Now it's time for the foam application. Okay, this is full of water. I hope when I open this, it doesn't like spray the heck out of me. It's in the closed position. Oh, it's just leaking a little bit. All right, now let's fill this guy, the whole thing up. We'll go halfway. It seems like a lot. Maybe we might need the whole thing, but so far I just filled it to about 60 milliliters. Let's go ahead and put this on here and get to spraying. So we want the foaming application. We're gonna have to switch the nozzle. No big deal though. All we do is pull that out, pull this down, and then we're gonna swap this for this one. We're just gonna lock it in by pulling it down and should be good. Yeah, locked in, ready to foam. Spray the foam super generously onto the surface of the vehicle, starting from the top and working our way down. All right, here we go. So I'm thinking we just go all the way like this. It's foaming up in here. Oh, it's foaming! Ah, look at that! Oh, that's so cool. I've never experienced this before. This is so magical. Gives you wings, baby. Okay, we are like soaking everything. I really gotta move. I've only done this singular side. What's also nice is that it's not like leaking everywhere when you stop it. So let's go ahead and start it again. Yeah, baby. All up on those wheels. Get this entire side. Definitely get the roof box off that light bar too. The amount it's shooting for just a garden hose is really nice. I'm able to lather the entire Tesla. Oh gosh, it's going to my camera bag. Quick off, quick off, quick off. It's not, oh no, oh no, the box. Oh no, okay, did not expect that. That's my bad. I'm watching it on a slant. Oh, can we take a second to appreciate this though? Sheesh. I think that's fine. Still some soap left in here. Let's go again, boys. Really gotta soak the front because of all those nasty bugs, yeah? Definitely the hood, those white windshield wipers. Definitely gotta take care of those. We'll use the glass cleaner, but let's just spray on the glass. We have a lot of soap left. Honestly, you really don't need to fill this whole thing up. I'm thinking I'll probably try like 30 milliliters next time. So we really don't have to use that much soap. This thing foams up so good. Now that she's all soapy, it's time for scrubbing. So we're gonna use the microfiber hand mitt to gently clean the exterior, and then we'll move on to the tires. Now it's time for the wheel cleaning. So what we're gonna wanna do is apply the 16-ounce wheel wash directly to the rims and tires, and then scrub the rims with a soft bristle brush and tires with the hard bristle brush. So it should be this guy. All right, wheel wash, let's go. Now before we apply the wheel wash, it's important to note that previously we used the car wash on the entire car, and we used it on the wheels as well. So they're a little bit clean, cut through a little bit of that grime, but we're going to do a lot better with the wheel wash. I have my Salty Captain bucket with some clean water in it, as well as the soft bristle brush and the hard bristled brush. The soft one is for the rims or the aero covers that I have, and the hard one is for the tires. We're gonna spray it all over our nasty tire. If you remember what it looked like previously, dude, this thing was gross. And we're gonna do it on our aero cover as well. Wow, that smells, but I'm pretty sure that's like the formula reacting to the dirt, and it's gonna help remove everything. So if it smells, I think that means you're doing it right. Oh, there's so much dirt in here. Oh my God, look at it drip down. Ew. I get it, they're tires and they're on the road and it's dirty, but dude, I did not know it had this much dirt on it. Oh my gosh, they're all brown now. Let's go ahead and try the soft bristle brush. We'll do it on the aero covers themselves as well. Big difference on how you can feel it cutting through. This does not feel like it's gonna damage my aero covers. Just drop it back in the bucket to clean.
And then we go ahead and spray off those wheels, the last touch to clean them. Now go around 360 style and do the rest for the other ones. Remember y'all, hard bristle brushes on the tires, soft bristle brushes on the rims or aero covers if you're me. Whoa! The cleaning agent is reacting with the brake dust and it'll turn it purple. Look at that, you see that purplish pinkish? And that's to remove all the brake dust from the car. Look at that. The tire spray will work for all of it. And then I'm just gonna spray it down with some soapy water. The whole car should still be a little soapy. We're gonna do a rinse down afterwards. Don't worry about that, we'll get to that in a second. Now looking at it, the purple is gone. These look way shinier. There's a lot less rust in here. Wow, this one used to be really, really bad. And I'm sure we could put more on it and the rust will go away, but I'm not really concerned about that because these are gonna get covered up again.
So the next thing to do is the drip dry application. So we're gonna want to refill the musket with the 16-ounce drip dry solution. Now to activate the hydrophobic spray, all we need to do is empty this out. Let's spray a little bit to clear out any remains in here and then fill this back in and then spray the rest of it with water to activate it. So we probably need to clear this out a little bit more, so we're gonna spray it a lot. That way, all the sud empties out of here. When this is clean, that's when we know we're just spraying water and we're activating that hydrophobic spray. The Tesla, it's finally clean, y'all. Now that we've washed, we foamed, we scrubbed, cleaned the wheels, and rinsed the whole thing with the drip dry, I think the last thing to do is grab our microfiber towel and wipe down this car. All right, I think we're good. Now, time to clean the glass. We're gonna use a 16-ounce glass cleaner to wipe all windows and mirrors. So the mirrors, oh, well, those gotta unfold. Simple enough. We only got 2 things left, so glass cleaner it is. Look at how shiny it is. It's reflecting the light. Bro, this cleaner really did the trick. I think this is a great microfiber towel. I mean, look at the size of it. It almost covers the whole windshield. Make sure you go ahead and do the side mirrors, the side glass, both front and back. And I'll do the top glass too, why not? Y'all. Get out from the inside. That looks so clear. I am excited to drive this once again. Look at how clean she is. That glass is buttery smooth. So reflective. Look at that from the front to the back. There is no streaking whatsoever. It legit, come on, it looks like a mirror, y'all. It looks like a mirror. It's so clean. The back looking good too. The sides on this side look so good. We are dripped in the black tint, y'all, and it looks clean. These are important as well. These look good, super clean on the side mirrors. And as promised, one of the best things is that no streaks. So there is no streaks left behind with the glass cleaner that we used today from Salty Captain. All of the windows look super good, just like you. We are done cleaning the exterior of this Tesla Model 3. You can see I have a residual bottle over there. The rest of the cleaning stuff's over there. Microfiber towel over there. A bit disorganized, but you can see, dang, it is so shiny compared to what we were looking at earlier. This looks so good in my opinion. I flippin' love this. Everything is finally clean. It looks so good. The tires and wheels as well look so solid. Where my aero caps are so white. The lip we've had back here forever that has been so dirty has never ever looked better. And my freshly painted side looks just as mirrored as the glass, which is streak free, so clean. I bet you that if there was not tint on these, it would be straight through a clear shot into the cabin, which we don't want, but it would be so clean, you would think the windows are rolled down. And now it's time to clean the inside of the car because according to my girlfriend, it's a little bit gross. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. According to the queen though, it's not. Salty Captain, save me. Now there's two ways we can clean the inside of your car. The first way we can do it is by spraying directly onto a microfiber towel. Simply twist and start spraying. Got a little bit on here. And now we can start cleaning our surface. That's a big difference already. And I'm not even scrubbing it that hard. Look at the difference here. All right, so this is now actually kind of white, and this is, yeah, that's gross. Gross and a little bit cleaner. Let's keep on scrubbing this. Option 2, and this is gonna work for bigger surfaces like this, is to, well, spray it directly on the surface. And then take a microfiber towel and get to wiping. And then of course we did the back seats, but this is my Tesla Model 3, all clean from the outside to inside. We're complete, the full video is done. And if you want your car, whether it be Tesla or anything else, just as clean as this, check out the link in the description below. I have the whole bucket. You can get it, everything. I'll have a discount code as well, and you can use that to get a little off so you can clean your car while saving a bit of money. In the comments below, let me know what cleaners you use to clean your car, how long it's been since you clean your car, how often you clean your car, and any tips you have for cleaning your car. Because this is so new to me, but this was pretty fun and pretty simple, especially with the foam cannon. I like that a lot. Thank you guys for coming along on this journey to clean light cycle here. Subscribe so you don't miss any other future videos and any other fun toys that we get. Later, y'all. Have a great day.